Welcome back, everyone. On this episode, I take a weekend adventure to Hilo, Hawaii, and I'll show you some of my favorite spots to eat and visit, and especially the world famous Big Island Candies cookies store, the original store where they make them. And behind me is Mauna Kea. It's a madhouse in the SeaTac Airport. Heading to the Alaska Lounge. We got about 15 minutes before I have to go to the gate. Off to another adventure. I highly recommend while settling in to keep a pen on you or the pocket in front of you, because you will be required to fill out a State of Hawaii Department of Agriculture mandatory declaration. My sister and brother-in-law picked me up from the airport. Then we drove to Zippy's, this well-known restaurant in Hawaii. And we had a late-night meal before heading home. We've arrived to Honolulu.
And less running away.
What are you doing? Heading to Honolulu Airport. Into the Big Island with my uncle. My auntie's here. Say hi. New Hawaiian Airlines terminal have a beautiful display of Senator Daniel Inouye's memorabilia. The airport is named after Daniel K. Inouye. We're on our way to Hilo.
I thought you got lost.
The car rental areas is located across the street from the main terminal at the Hilo International Airport. After leaving the airport, our first stop was Ken's House of Pancakes. Ken's House of Pancakes has become something of a Big Island landmark for tourists and locals alike. After lunch, we checked into the Grand Naniloa Hotel by Hilton. It has beautiful views of Hilo Bay and the mountains of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. We're here at the Hilo Farmers Market. Say hi, Mom. What you doing?
Hi. Pwede ba ito sa ba?
String beans.
No.
Thank you.
What you gonna cook? Hey, I'm at the world's famous Big Island Candies cookie shop. If you're ever in the Big Island, you must visit this place. Chinese New Year's, February 2023. Year of the Rabbit. I won't be.
Should be able to see it again.
Good morning from Hilo, Hawaii. This is Mauna Kea. As you can see, there's some snow on it. Walking on Banyan Drive in Hilo, Hawaii. They call it Banyan Drive. As you can see, it's lined with banyan trees. If you're planning a trip to Hawaii, I highly suggest you visit the Big Island of Hawaii. And you can stop in Hilo for a visit. There's a lot of things you can see. You have Rainbow Falls. The Volcano National Park is not that far, about 30 minutes. And visiting the old town of Hilo. After my morning walk, we went to Hula Hula's downstairs in the hotel for breakfast. Excellent service and the food was delicious. After breakfast, we drove up to Hamakua Coast and visited some areas we haven't not been to before. Overlooking Hilo Bay. Honolulu Beach Park. This was our first visit to this beach park. Popular by surfers, the picturesque cove is located less than 2 miles from downtown Hilo. It is a rocky bottom and occasionally strong currents, make it less of a swimming beach and more of a great spot for experienced surfers and watching surfing pros. Parking is limited and must be able to climb up and down stairs to the beach, and there is a lifeguard on site. We both decided to take the walking trail instead of the stairs to the beach. Honolulu Beach Park is tucked down in a hill at the mouth of the Honolulu stream. They have a large pond area just before the stream flows into the ocean. Now we're heading back to Hilo. I have to fly back to Honolulu to catch an evening flight back to Seattle. This was my first adventure for 2023. I am very excited for all my upcoming adventures, especially traveling to the Philippines for the first time this summer. Thank you to all my subscribers for your support and all who are new for watching this video. Until next time, when possible, go outside and explore.